Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group. Wow. Okay, so today we're going to go through our Beautiful Blues project for the Beautiful Blues collaboration with Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. This is the last week, and I had to wait until this week, even though I made this folio the first week, because the projects for the challenge videos were all going to be incorporated into this journal. So I couldn't show it, I couldn't do the flip through until all of the prompts had been released. Otherwise you would know what the prompts were, the last two, because they're in the journal. Okay, so the first thing is the prompt for week 4, which is a notepad. And this is my notepad. This is the front. It's got a charm. This is the back. They both untie. I'm not going to untie them because it is too difficult for me to retie them. They hold down notepads though. There's notepads inside each one, each half. In here and in here. Pretty good sized ones. 6-page ones. 5-page ones. Okay, so that's 20 pages on each side to write on. Then when you undo the clip, because this is meant to hang over a page, but I don't really have pages in my folio or in my flip book, so there was nowhere to hang this over the page. But see, it opens like this. These are the ribbons that come around out here, and then I put lace over the top to help hold the ribbons down, and then you can write on the inside as well. Okay, so that was my week 4 project. Oh, that's the back. No, that's the front. Yes, that's the front. I just wanted to make sure the charm was on the front. I've already taken the photos of everything. Okay, so now this is the folio. Now this is week 1, which is the journal topper. And mine became a folio topper. So you move this paper clip over just a little bit. You don't want to take it off all the way. And you can see this is raised up. The letters and the picture are both raised up with chipboard. So this is double and this is single. So it comes up a little bit. You can't really tell on the camera. Then it opens this way. And on this side we have a belly band with a card. Gosh darn it, never take them out during the flip through. Isn't that the truth? There we go. I just have to wiggle it a little bit. This is the other side, which is the writing side of the page. Then it flips again, and here's our collage, and then our image, our beautiful image of the beautiful blue lady with the butterflies. Say that 10 times fast. So you flip both of those back, and then you hold it shut with the clip. You open it up, page 1, and you've got this image here. Then you've got to flip down, and I just realized I forgot a pocket. And so you can write here. You can write here. Here's some ephemera with lace. Here's some ephemera with lace. Then this top part is a pocket. I forgot to put a card in there. If you'll notice it in the flip through of this and the folio and in the construction of the challenge projects, none of this is going to be for sale, even though I had fun making it. because I had a problem with my printer and I didn't realize until I had printed all 60 pages of the kit. So make sure to go over to Mandy's and Etsy shop over at Sunflowers and Doors, 10 indoors, and get 20% off. There's a code below the video for you to get that. Yeah, so I had lines in all the pages, all 60 pages. I had these little yellow lines running through everything, and I just looked at it and I about cried. Because I had printed the fronts and the backs before I realized, because my living room isn't as bright as it is back here, and so I didn't notice it when I took them off the printer, and then subsequently didn't notice it when I was trimming the papers. But by the time I was trimming the papers, it was too late anyway. I had already printed basically 120 pages. So there you go. So anyway, I need a card or a tag for here. This is a pencil holder right here. I don't have a pen holder. I don't have a pen to put in it. I've got the little skinny pen refills, and then you make the paper cover that goes around it. I just can't get to them. They're under some other art supplies and I can't reach them. So I'll make one and put it in. This is all basically just for me, and it's just going to be a reference piece. So then you flip this over, and this is page 4, and this has the altered index card and the mismade ATC, because I didn't know what they were at first or exactly how they were made. So I made them incorrectly, but I glued that on there. This is the week 4, and you untie this and you'll see it in the week 4 when we make it. So I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but there's a pocket in here that's embossed, and then the flaps. Then on the other side is our pretty lady. When you open it, there's cards that you can write on. This is our collage. I think that turned out really well. This is the ATC card that did turn out the right size, correct size. And I went ahead and glued it down. I didn't put it on with Velcro or anything. This is my mistake of a ATC card, because there's blue rectangles in the kit. On that week, there's a page with 4 blue rectangles, and I just assumed those were the right size, but an ATC is 2.5 by 3.5, and so that's what this is right here, 2.5 by 3.5. I don't know what this is. It's held on by Velcro, and you can write on the back side. I've got one white one and one scruffy one clear one on there, but you know, I've got them backwards. And then on this side, we have this beautiful picture, and we have a flip up. And I love this picture, and I was so sad to see the yellow lines through it. Then we have this image, which is a collage. There's no paper underneath, it's just the stenciling on the manila folder. On this one, when we turn it up, this is page 10. This was another mismade ATC card. So I went ahead and put it on the page with Velcro dots so that you could write on the back of it. And then on this page here, there's some really pretty tags. put in an acetate pocket with 2 pieces of ephemera and some lace. Then on our last page is just an image. Got these all messed up. Anyway, on the back is just another image. I took my favorite images, and they're the ones without the artificial, yeah, the stuff you put on, the white that you put on around on the pages. It's really early in the morning, and this is my 3rd video, so you'll have to excuse me. So anyway, this is the folio that we made in weeks 1 and 2. No, week 1, the 3 videos, and then there's the flip up that we made in week 2, and then this is the flip through of the folio from week 1. It's now week 3, and then the flip through of the flip up, I believe, is on Saturday of week 2 of the collaboration. Now the collaboration runs all through the month, even though these 2 projects are only the first 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks are always my design team project for Line Dot Arrow. Make sure to enter every week. Every week is the different challenge, and you can make whatever you want, but make the challenge item is better. Post whether you use the freebies and the kit, or just the kit, or a combination. The kit, like I said, is 60 pages. It's amazingly large. We give you almost 20 pages in freebies, so that's pretty close to 80 pages, if not 80 pages to work with. You can't go wrong with that. You get a 20% discount on the kit if you use the code below the video. And there are 12 drawings, or 12 kits given away every week during the Beautiful Blues collaboration, and that's 48 kits that are going to be given away, so make sure to enter the drawings. Each week there's going to be a Monday through Friday challenge. Saturday's the drawings, Sunday's the new video that shows you the challenge, and then the challenge starts again on Monday. So it's a very full month, a very, very full month. Let's see, what else can I tell you? This is the 3rd week, like I said, so make sure that you're getting your entries in for week 3. You can't carry your entries over. You can post stuff that you made in week 1, but you have to say that it's week 1, and you can't, well, we'll know by the project, and it won't get entered that week in the drawing, but we'd love to see it. Okay? All right, I think that's it, all that confusing stuff. And all the info will be below the video. Plus, make sure to check the event every week in Sweet Pea Papers and at Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers Indoors Facebook groups. Those are the only 2 groups that you can get the freebies at. And you can enter the drawings in all 4 groups, which is Mandy's group, the Sunflowers and Doors group, and then my 3 groups, the Sweet Pea Papers group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More group, and the Junk Journals and Papercraft Facebook group. So you get the freebies in the first 2. You get to enter in all 4. There's drawings in all 4 every week. Okay? All right. Well, thank you for watching the flip through. Get your entries in for week 4. And I hope you won in weeks 1, 2, and 3. And if not, get your name in there for week 4. and you'll have a chance to win one of the 12 kits for this week. Okay? Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.